Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, EmmaSpot. Today, I'm diving into a topic that's critical for every home: kitchen fire safety. If you use gas for cooking, stick around because I'm sharing essential safety tips, preventive measures, and emergency responses to keep your kitchen safe and secure. Let's get started. First, let's talk about some general safety tips for kitchens where gas is used. 1. Regular maintenance. Inspect your gas cylinders, hoses, and appliances regularly. Check for wear and tear, and ensure that all connections are tight and secure. 2. Proper installation. Make sure gas cylinders are installed upright in a well-ventilated area. And remember, always use certified professionals for installing gas pipes and fittings. Safety first. 3. Adequate ventilation. Keep your kitchen well ventilated to prevent gas accumulation. Open a window or use an exhaust fan while cooking. 4. Know the smell of gas. Familiarize yourself with the smell of gas. It often smells like rotten eggs. Make sure everyone in your household can recognize this warning sign. Now, let's discuss preventive measures to avoid potential hazards. 1. Leak detection. Regularly check for gas leaks. A simple way is to apply soapy water to the connections. If you see bubbles, you've got a leak. Also, consider investing in a gas detector for extra safety. 2. Turn off gas after use. Always turn off the gas supply at the cylinder or main valve after cooking. It's a small habit that can make a big difference. 3. Avoid overloading burners. Use pots and pans that fit your burners. Flames should never extend beyond the cookware. 4. Keep flammables away. Store items like paper towels, oils, and cloths far from open flames. 5. Avoid using faulty equipment. If you notice a damaged burner, regulator, or hose, replace it immediately. Don't take risks with faulty equipment. Next up, let's go over some control measures to ensure you're prepared in case of an emergency. 1. Emergency shut-off valves. Install accessible emergency shut-off valves. These allow you to quickly isolate the gas supply if there's a leak. 2. Fire extinguishers and fire blankets. Keep a fire extinguisher rated for kitchen fires and a fire blanket nearby. These tools are lifesavers in small fire emergencies. 3. Educate kitchen users. Train everyone in your household or staff on how to use gas safely and respond in an emergency. 4. Avoid flames near leaks. If you suspect a gas leak, do not light any flames or use electrical appliances. Sparks can ignite the gas. Finally, let's cover emergency response measures to act swiftly and effectively during a crisis. 1. Gas leak response. If you smell gas, open all windows and doors immediately to ventilate the area. Turn off the main gas supply and avoid using electrical switches. Leave the premises and contact your gas supplier or emergency services. 2. Fire response. For small fires, use a fire extinguisher or fire blanket to smother the flames. Never use water on a gas or grease fire. If the fire is uncontrollable, evacuate and call emergency services right away. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional precautions to keep in mind. 1. Child safety. Keep children away from the cooking area and gas appliances. You can also install child-proof knobs or covers for gas stoves. 2. Proper storage of gas cylinders. Store gas cylinders away from direct sunlight, heat sources, or flammable materials. Only use cylinders that meet safety standards. 3. Routine inspections by professionals. Schedule periodic inspections by licensed gas technicians to ensure all your equipment is in safe working condition. By following these tips and control measures, you can create a safe cooking environment and significantly reduce the risks associated with using gas. Please watch out for my ebook titled, Gas Fire Safety 101, Accident-Free Kitchen for comprehensive tips and guidelines on the prevention and control of gas-related incidents in our homes and buildings. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more safety tips. Hit the bell icon to stay notified of our latest videos. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.